Ever wondered why flamingos are actually pink? Most people get this wrong. Today, we're using AI tools to break down the real science behind nature's most iconic color. Flamingos aren't born pink, they're actually white or gray. Their vibrant pink color comes from carotenoid pigments in their diet, mainly algae and shrimp. These pigments accumulate in their feathers over time. The intensity of their pink depends entirely on what they eat. Better diet equals brighter color. It's nature's way of showing health and fitness to potential mates. Carotenoids are organic pigments found in plants and animals. When flamingos consume algae and crustaceans rich in these compounds, their digestive system breaks them down and deposits them in feather cells. This process takes months. Different species show different pink shades based on food availability. In captivity, flamingos lose their pink without proper carotenoid supplements, turning white again. Understanding animal biology opens content opportunities. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to research complex topics fast, or Midjourney to create stunning flamingo visuals for thumbnails. Educational content performs well on YouTube. Nature facts combined with the insights attract viewers interested in science and technology. Topics using AI research tools gave researching animal biology topics using AI research tools. Create thumbnail graphics with AI image generators. Write scripts faster using AI research tools. Write scripts faster using AI writing assistants. Test educational content about nature science and speculations. Double down on winners. This approach builds authority while leveraging AI efficiency for your workflow. Drop a comment. What's the coolest animal fact you know? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered educational content.